need your equipment to work longer and harder than ever. To get every load delivered intact and on time. To keep your drivers confident, comfortable, and productive. And to help maximize the value of your investment through the lowest possible cost per mile. That's the challenge you face every day, and the challenge Monroe has helped answer with Magnum shock absorbers. Whether you're operating over-the-road tractor-trailers, transit buses, work vans, emergency vehicles, or other hard-working equipment, replacing worn shock absorbers with Monroe Magnum shocks can help you achieve longer tire life, provide a more comfortable, controlled ride for your drivers, reduce vehicle downtime, and lower your operating costs. Monroe Magnum shocks are designed to handle the demands of high mileage and severe use vehicles, and it's what's inside that will really make a difference for your equipment, your drivers, and your bottom line. A large diameter nitro-carburized rod for maximum compression control and side load strength. PTFE coated rod guide bearing that increases durability by minimizing internal friction. Robust new hydraulic lockout to help prevent damage caused by extreme suspension travel to air springs. An ultra-precise centered iron piston that eliminates the need for secondary O-ring sealing, further increasing durability. Significantly larger bore size and pressure tube thickness for more precise tuning and the ability to handle more severe road conditions. And features Monroe's latest shouldered bushing technology, which helps prevent bushing extrusion. Proudly built in Paragould, Arkansas, Monroe Magnum shocks are ready to help you tackle every tough job, every day, with a world-class ride and exceptional durability. Monroe Magnum, a difference you'll feel, see, and appreciate where it matters most.